Hello everyone. Now we are gonna unbox this parcel. So let's start. Okay. Inside we have few packaging, and again we have some chocolates. Okay. So that's all inside. Nothing more. So let it be there. And let's open this. So here we have the coins. Like we have some 10 paise, 10 paise, 20 paise, and few 5 paise coins. 5 paise. So in this lot we got 5, 10, and 20 paises. All are mixed. Like total we have 100 coins. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Yes. So we have 100 coins lot here and few chocolates. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button.